Hey, in this video, we'll talk about when will crypto rise again, like the Lion King. But before we start, keep in mind that this video is no financial advice. I'm the most random guy you can see on the internet, but definitely like the video for the algorithm and subscribe with notifications on if you're new. The good thing when you subscribe is upload over 30 of these videos. They're not a joke. This video will be a joke. With the hottest cryptocurrencies and crypto news. So if you want to learn more about that, subscribe with notifications on. When will crypto rise? Look right now, this is the daily chart. We're hitting a very strong support at this area, around the 30K area. So what I expect here is crypto will go up, down, and in circles, and we might go back in time to around 2018, and then buy some crypto, then go up to 60K, and then just drop down. So when will crypto rise again? According to my technical analysis, we have a very strong support area at 64K, and we might go in circles after that. See you next video. Bye.